What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the M2 powered 11-inch iPad Pro. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified of when any of my future videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this iPad Pro. It starts off here in the UK with 128GB of storage at £899. You also have a 2TB option which will set you back £2,149. Although if you are in the United States, then it could set you back between $799 and $1,899. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and find out what actually comes included with this iPad Pro. So there's a pull tab on the top and bottom of the rear of the box, and pulling this and lifting away the lid reveals the iPad Pro sat atop. Now taking this out and placing it to a side, we get a look at what comes included with this iPad Pro. Now the first of these is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. And the first documentation is our quick start guide, which gives us a general overview of software features like the dock and control center. It also shows us how to pair up an Apple Pencil and set up Face ID. So placing the documentation to a side, we get a further look at what other things come included with this iPad. And the next item included is our 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Now as you can see, as I am based in the United Kingdom, we have a different plug which folds out, which makes it quite convenient when traveling around. And the last item included with this iPad Pro is our 1 meter USB-C to USB-C braided cable. Now this cable is not color matched like we see with the MacBook Pro or with the iMac with its Lightning to USB-C cable. A missed opportunity if you ask me, and I hope we get color matching accessories in the future. So taking a closer look at this iPad Pro, we can see that it's quite thin, and on the left side of the iPad there are no ports or no connections or any buttons. On the bottom we have our USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port along with 2 speakers. On the right side of the iPad we have our magnetic Apple Pencil charging port. At the rear of this iPad, on the lower portion, you will find a smart connector which will allow this iPad to connect up to multiple different accessories. And up towards the top left portion you will find an ultra wide and wide camera. Both of these are 12 megapixel cameras, and on the right of that you will notice the flash, the LiDAR sensor along with a rear microphone. On the top of this iPad Pro you will find a sleep and lock button along with 2 additional microphones and once again 2 additional speakers. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when a new video goes live. If you've got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, if there is anything you'd like to see tested on this iPad Pro, then be sure to leave your questions down below in this video's comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.